My name is Luke! Let's go for a walk.
Riding on the bike. Oh, snap!
How's my hair? Will you hurry the fuck up? I love how filming in public makes you feel like a dick. Very loud people next to us. Nice, her bikes weren't stolen. It's like 35 degrees and she's wearing a scarf. Oh, there we go. So I have to end this segment because I dropped Sarah's camera and she's pretty pissed, so bye. Get out of my room! Ow! Let's go for a walk.
Yeah. Oh snap. Look! It's a whirlpool.
It's a friggin' whirlpool, look at that, it's amazing. They could go out of focus now. I thought you said you could zoom, you're such a liar.
You can't zoom while it's filming.
How did you do it before? Because that just doesn't make sense.
You zoomed before.
Oh.
I think those people down there are up to something.
Oh.
Ew! Ew! That's disgusting! Ew. Pretty sure Luke's gonna get like AIDS or something. That's like Ontario. Don't underestimate it.
Look, a delicious foam brick, part of this delicious breakfast. This is with the crappy hand too.
Oh my god. You're disgusting.
I know.
You definitely have AIDS now.
Oh,
Oh snap.
it's coming towards us.
I'm afraid of dogs. Oh Jesus. Oh god.